Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today was a tricky day. So nobody knew actually what is going to happen today, and everything was like it was just oscillating between highs and lows, and that's what happened. So we'll try to analyze what happened today, and along with that, how it respected the levels we already drawn and all those things, right? So, as you know already, if you have already watched all the videos in the past, so this was the key area, key support area that we were looking for, and which was around 17,400, right? So, in the last trading session, it was not able to go below that, but it was mainly around 17,500. But today, just to trap all the short uh, who are going to short the market, so all the shorters, it actually trapped them, and then it gave a bounce back. But again, it did not sustain. It gone again down and then again came back. So it was a tricky day. I'll just show you what I mean by that. So on the 15-minute chart, you can see. So here, at the start of the market, this was the first candle in which there was a sudden move. So initially it actually gave a breakdown on these levels, 500. So everyone was, or everyone who is bearish actually, they started taking shorts. And here you can see clearly that it entered into this territory. The low of 446 it made, right? And that was the today's low, and after that it bounced back and gave a very good closing on 15-minute candle. So the closing, if you see, it was around 677, right? And after that, again sideways market, here and there red and green candles. Again it went down the entire session till 1345 or 130, you can say. So it was going down. It made another low of the day, and then from that the buying came in. So most probably, who are DII or FII who wait for 130 time, and after that they give a good move. So that's where the buying started. So this was the day for you. So where we ended is we started here around 540, and we ended around 670 667, right? So it was a good close, but let's not get deceived by this kind of a closing. Here you can see the clear idea is. So as we can see, we are in a channel on daily basis, and this was the key support area from where it has bounced back. The only concerning part here is you can see the RSI, it has gone down 40 and it is retesting the 40 level again. So this is sometimes quite dangerous, where even on the price action you can see uh, these are the levels, right, where it broke down from, right? So we could expect anything around 700 or 800, that kind of a bounce, and we may continue the journey downwards, right? So why I say downwards is this is on daily basis, where it will take the resistance of 40 of RSI and then go down. But if you look on the weekly time frame, the things are quite interesting. So here you can see, as we talked about this level, right, the super trend as well, which was supporting 17,400. So here is the actual clue where the markets are heading in the short term. So we went down, bounced back, went down, bounced back, then again went down. So this will continue, right? So for 1 or 2 days, we may see the markets are recovering, but the actual trend on the higher time frame suggests that we are going down, right? So it's very interesting to see how it behaves. But again, as I said, these are the key levels where we'll be keeping our eye on. And if these are broken out on the downside, we can again plan for the shorts. So that's the idea. And on higher side, as I said uh, in the previous video as well, 17,850 or 17,900 is the upper side, where if we go above that, we may think of going bullish. But as we have already said that the market is sell on sell on rise, right? So we'll follow that and we'll see what happens. So this is on Nifty. On Bank Nifty, same thing has happened. We have marked these levels on yesterday's video, and here it broke down the RSI support and it is trying to retest that. So we may see a bullish day tomorrow as well, just before the budget. And once the budget is done, we'll get the clear direction whether we are going up or whether we are going down. So we'll just wait for that. So today as well, we kept the order book light. We did not trade much, and that's the plan for tomorrow as well. And on budget day, as such, we'll be staying away from the market. But if you are very good, because option premiums are very high, and if you are a buyer, there is no sense of buying option unless you have a directional move in your direction. But otherwise, all the volatility is already counted in, so there is no much risk to reward ratio in that. And if you're option seller, there is a high chance that your stop loss may get hit. So both the sides, buyer as well as seller, both have the risks. Just understand the risks, how much you want to risk it out, and based on that, take the trade. So once the direction is clear, I think you can, based on one or two candles, you can take the trade. But otherwise, if you don't have that much of experience in trading, I think it is better to keep away from the market. So we'll come back to the bank Nifty thing. Same thing here as well. We may see the levels of 41,600, and that will be just the retracement. Otherwise, uh, there is a high chance that we may continue the downward journey. This is a daily chart, and on weekly, if you can see, it suggests the same thing, right? So here as well. So as I said, this was the clear sign of bearishness as it broke down the uh, super trend. But it is very interesting to see how it behaves because we are at the support, and from support it has bounced back. So there might be a bounce back, one more bounce back from these levels to 41, 500 or 600. But as this RSI suggests that we are going down, and we feel that we may end up going down as well. So the next support for Bank Nifty is around this area, which is 38,700 or 800, right? So these are the key levels again. So we are just near the next support. So high chance we may not continue or we may continue. We don't know. We'll just take the decision based on the budget and how market receives the budget, and after that we'll continue our trading and trend following, right? So levels to look for on the budget day as well as tomorrow. As I said, 17,800 and 900, these are the key levels. And again, this is the trend line on the upper side. You can keep a watch on this. If we break out, wait for one or two 15 minutes candles to close above this. Just don't go blindly bullish on this because that may backfire. And same thing on the downside as well. If we break down, just wait for one or two candles and then take the decision. Same thing here as well. So as I said, on daily basis, it will give the clear idea. So yeah, these are the levels 41, 500 and 600. If we go above that, well and good, we'll take the entry on the retest, not on the breakout. And same thing on the downside. If we break down, we'll take entry on the retest. So that's the plan for tomorrow and budget day as well. So if you're really enjoying the videos, please do like the video as well as comment for better reach, and you can subscribe to the channel as well if you're liking the content. So currently we are mainly focused on this key levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty, but once in a while we'll be mainly focusing on the trading aspects, psychological aspects, and even investing aspects of the market. And I'm sure you'll get enriched with all the videos we are planning to publish, right? So make use of that. If you're a beginner, I think these are the videos you can watch on daily basis and try to benefit from these things. So yeah, if you really like the work, do leave a subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.